In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a T-chart template in Google Docs. T-charts are incredibly useful tools for comparing and organizing information, and creating one in Google Docs is straightforward once you know how. Whether you're using it for brainstorming, listing pros and cons, or jotting down ideas, a T-chart can help you structure your thoughts neatly and logically. So let's dive in and learn how to set one up from scratch. To start, open a new Google Docs document. Now, you're going to create a table, which will be the basis of your T-chart. Head over to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Table. Since we're creating a T-chart, we'll need a 2x2 table. Click on the 2x2 grid to insert the table into your document. Once you've done that, you'll see a simple table appear, and this will serve as the skeleton of your T-chart. Next, it's time to fill in your T-chart. Click inside the cells of your table and enter the text that you want to display on either side. Typically, each column will represent a different category or aspect you wish to compare. Go ahead and type the headers, and if you have any initial entries, feel free to jot those down as well. For a polished appearance, we need to improve the table borders. Let's focus on enhancing them for clarity. Navigate to the top right of your Google Docs interface, where you will find the table options. Click on it and then select Color to alter your table's line styling. Here you can adjust the thickness of the lines surrounding your T-chart to your liking, making your chart stand out more clearly. Now perhaps you'd like a cleaner looking chart with only internal dividers showing, which is a typical setup for a T-chart. To achieve this, you need to make some of the borders invisible. For this, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, and then carefully click on each of the borders, starting with the top, followed by the right side, bottom, and left side. After selecting all the borders, click on Border Width and set it to 0. This effectively removes the outer border lines, leaving you with just a central line dividing the two categories. Lastly, let's adjust the alignment. Highlight all the text within your chart and then look for the toolbar option to change the alignment. Choose Center to ensure everything appears balanced and professional. Centering the text like this not only enhances the visual appeal, but also aids in readability, making your T-chart easy to interpret at a glance. And there you have it, a simple yet effective T-chart ready for use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more content like this.